Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily switch to professional account. So if you think you want to create your professional account because of some reason, maybe you want to become an artist, you just become an entrepreneur, you can try to switch your account to a professional one. Feel free by tap on your profile first and then tap edit profile. You can scroll down and here we go, switch to professional account and then tap it. Here, get professional tools. Then learn about your followers, reach more people, get new contact option. Here we go, what best describe you here. For example, a entrepreneur, done. So it can take up to 30 seconds to finish this. So you can choose creator or business. It's up to you. After that, you can follow the instruction for Instagram. Easy, right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click the next button below. See you in the next video.